My name is Domenic Maciariello, senior trial attorney here at Domenic Maciariello. Growing up in a rural community, all my friends were pretty much Italian American. I was first generation born in this country. My parents come from a very small town in Italy. My father came to this country in 1956. My mother came here in 1964. Neither of my parents had any education, so that's all their dream was, for their children to get an education to make a better life for themselves. That's why they came here. And where they grew up, the only people who had an education were doctors, lawyers, and priests. So when I was a little boy, my mother gave me three options. I could be a doctor, a lawyer, or a priest. I'm glad with what I chose. Brad hired me. It was just him and I and one other attorney at first. And how I learned, coming out, I was just out of law school, just past the bar, and I sat right outside of Brad's office. So basically, I listened to every phone call Brad made. I listened to what Brad said to the clients and how he said it. I tweaked it a little bit for myself, and Brad and I have been together for 22 years. My parents gave up everything they had, which was little to nothing, to come here and start a new life. The way I approach cases here is basically the same way. So when I have a case, and say I have little to no evidence, little to no information, because some of our clients are in a very similar situation where, they don't know how the system works. They're afraid to lose their job. They're afraid to even report an injury in some instances because they don't want to be fired. They don't want to be let go because they've got a family to take care of. They've got children of their own. Some of these people, they try to work through the pain, and the insurance companies try to take advantage of that. Those are the people who need to be protected, where the insurance company is completely against the recovery. When you get that claim settled, that's the claim that's the best feeling in the world.